Let's fill out the Indiana Motorcycle Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a motorcycle in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, you'll need to use the official state form, LATS Form 44237. Make sure you have that specific form ready before you get started. On the form, you'll need to include the purchaser's name, LAT, so the buyer's full name goes on there. You'll also need the seller's address, LAT, so the person selling the motorcycle needs to provide where they live. You'll also need to include the vehicle identification number, LAT or VIN, LAT for the motorcycle being sold. Now, here's something that may surprise you. The prior owner was not required to obtain a certificate of title, LAT, so a traditional title transfer is not part of this process. And when it comes to signatures, LAT. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.